Pretty happy with how the debatching turned out. Washed it off a little bit. Looks a lot better to me. Next thing I want to do is get the suspension painted all black. Leave the springs the green, leave the seats the green, black everything else out. I thought I was going to make a cage and leave it raw, but I think I like the black look on there better. Even makes the stock cage look kind of good. So I guess I'll be going with black powder when I get the cage done for this thing. But today, I'm going to get the heat gun out again and see if I can't turn this faded plastic back black. Seen a couple of videos of people making it work, so I'm going to give it a try on all these faded parts and let y'all know how it goes. It's turning out better than I expected. Looks pretty good compared to the other side. Took minimal effort. Probably do better if you cleaned it better than I did. I got the heat gun on high heat, pretty close to the surface. It's kind of like painting almost. You can just see it's getting darker. It just follows the heat gun. So I'm gonna finish out this piece and see what it turns out like. Well, it definitely works. I don't know how long it'll stay like this. Might give it a few more passes over it after I get done with the rest of it. I'm gonna try to do these bottom pieces and the doors, and I'll get back with y'all with the finished product. Here's the passenger side door. I haven't done this side yet, but I did do the driver door, and it don't seem like it makes that much of a difference on the door material. So I think I'm gonna skip that and just go straight to this bottom piece down here. Hopefully it does a better job there. I think I'm gonna call that done. Worked pretty good on the bottom piece. Not as faded anymore. Worked good on the front. The other side ain't too bad, so I think I'm gonna leave it alone and call it good for today. Hopefully I can get a cage built for it by New Year's, but I've been going turtle speed on it. So if you was wondering if the heat gun works on fixing the plastics, it does. I have to make another video on how long it lasts, but here it is, the beginning of December. It looks pretty good.